I'm going to walk you through how to hide Safari on iPad. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to walk you through 2 steps. Here I have Safari right down here, so I can just click on this and I go ahead and remove app. They say removing from home screen will keep the app in your app library. So I can remove it. You can see there's no Safari on my home screen. I can only see it now in my app library. So this is the only place I can come and I search for Safari right here, and I'm going to go ahead and see Safari right there. But if you don't want to use Safari on your iPad anymore, I'm going to recommend you going to your settings. So you're going to go ahead and head forward into screen time. You click on content and privacy restriction. Then you're going to go ahead and enable this. Then you click on allow app and features. Then you'll go ahead and disable Safari. So here you can see turning off an app or feature will remove it from home screen but will not delete it from iPad. So that's just actually how it works. So if I come right here now and I search for Safari, you can see we have Safari nowhere to be found.